Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is Coppertop Sweet Viburnum from the Southern Living Plant Collection in 2 minutes. This has quickly become one of my favorite screening plants for the South. It's hardy in zone 7B to 10, so most folks in the South can grow this plant. It's a very fast growing evergreen shrub where all the new growth is this beautiful coppery color, and then it matures to a super dark green shiny foliage. It's really a striking plant, super fast growing. I put 3 along my wood line over here last year in a video, and they have grown very quickly. They've probably tripled in size, and it kind of took me by surprise. Normally when you put a shrub in the ground, it just really takes a little bit of time for them to take off, and those just took off and started growing very quickly. I've got them in a part shade condition back there, and they're not getting quite as much of the new coppery color on them as I would if I had them out in more sun, but the plants are doing fantastic in that part shade area. But this is like I say, more sun, the more color on the plant. It's maintainable between 6 and 8 feet in height and probably 4 to 5 feet in width, but we'll probably get bigger than that in time. It gets a cluster of white fragrant flowers on it in the spring, or clusters of white fragrant flowers in the spring. It's not really the reason I'm growing this plant, but it is an added benefit to this plant. This is a very disease and insect resistant plant. It can be pruned anytime, and after each pruning, this coppery foliage reemerges on the new growth, and then again, like I say, fades to green. So it can be pruned several times during the growing season. Fertilize it once in the late winter with a slow release fertilizer, and that's pretty much it. If you want a super low maintenance shrub that offers a tremendous amount of color and can create a barrier between you and a neighbor very quickly, this Coppertop Sweet Viburnum from the Southern Living Plant Collection is it. So thank you very much for watching this 2-minute version of this variety. I frequently have a longer version of these videos on my channel that may show me planting them and maybe some additional information that I didn't share in this shortened version. I also have playlists on this channel for very specific needs. If you're looking for screening plants or foundation plants or shade plants, or you're in like zone 6 or 7, I have playlists that include all the plants that will grow in your area. So look for those playlists on my channel. Thanks for watching.